Hello. In this video, we're going to go over expanding logarithms. It's going to be very similar to condensing logarithms. We're just going to flip the rules that we know. So let's start with the rules. The first thing we know is log of x times the log of y is going to be the log of x plus the log of y. Make that a little more clear. Log of x over the log of y actually really means the log of x minus the log of y. And then lastly, we have log of x to the a, where a is an exponent for that x value. And what we're going to do is bring that in front, a log of x. Beautiful. Those are the three rules that we're going to use. So let's jump into number 5. Let's use a different color just to make it clear. For number 5, I'm going to rewrite ln of x to the fourth times y. The first thing I realize or recognize is that these two are being multiplied. So when things are being multiplied, we know that they really mean add. So I can rewrite this as ln x to the fourth plus the ln of y. Now, lastly, we have one more to apply because that x has an exponent. So that exponent will go to the front, and we have fully expanded. And it becomes 4 times the ln of x as our coefficient plus ln of y. Let's jump into number 6. So number 6, the first thing we're going to do is rewrite log of 3 square root x squared over y. The first thing I'm going to do is rewrite my square root as an exponent. The log of 3 x squared over y to the power of 1/2. Now I know what to do with that 1/2. It goes in front due to the third rule. So I'm going to bring that value in front, and we're going to rewrite 1/2 log of 3 of x squared, log base 3 of x squared over y. Now I see a division. So we're going to apply this one, which is the second one, the subtraction. We have to be careful because that 1/2 will apply to both of these. So we need to put this part in a parentheses or bracket. So I will put the 1/2 on the outside, bracket, log base 3 of x squared minus log base 3 of y. That takes care of the division because it became a subtraction. Lastly, we have another exponent, and we need to push that exponent into the front. Keep everything the same, 1/2 on the outside, 2 log base 3 of x minus log base 3 of y. And then lastly, all we're going to need to do is distribute my 1/2, and we're done. 1/2 times 2 is 1 log 3 of x minus the 1/2 log 3 of y. And that would be our expanded version of number 6. So if there's others you would like me to do, please just let me know or send me an email. Other than that, hope everyone has a great day.